Hello viewers, you're on the porch with Walter. Why are we always on the porch with Walter? Because he's too lazy to go out there and do any projects in this weather. Really haven't been feeling good. Y'all might have just heard me burp. I just had a piece of raw cauliflower and that's what it did to me. We've never cooked cauliflower very much, so the better half is in there cooking some in the air fryer. I'm going to have air fried cauliflower, steak, baked potatoes, and I came out to clean the grill and I thought I'd share a little bit of a vlog with you when I'm out here. I'll tell you something that happened yesterday that was, well, it's kind of funny now, but I'll share it anyway. Some of my stupid stunts I occasionally pull. Yesterday, the wife was in there cooking, and she wanted some boiled eggs. I forget what else we were eating. Oh, we had some pinto beans and something else. She wanted some boiled eggs. So she boiled 6 boiled eggs on the stove in a pot of water. And they boiled about 15 minutes or so. I was in there working on my computer. Well, she cooled off her eggs and started peeling them. She had 2 peeled and brought one in there for me to taste, see if it was done. Had salt and pepper on it, and it looked boiled, you know, but it was still soft in the middle, and I thought it tasted great. I said, well, that'll be fine. She said, no, that's not done enough. We've got to cook it some more. But she already had 2 of them peeled. So I get this bright idea. Well, let's just stick the 2 you already peeled in the microwave over here for about, I think I said 30 seconds, and see what that does to it. I stuck them in a little plastic bowl, stuck them in the microwave, pushed 2 minutes because I was standing right in front of it. I was going to take it out in about 30 seconds. When it got up to about 15, 20 seconds, or somewhere close to 30 seconds, and I'm thinking to myself, maybe I better wait a little longer. And around 30 seconds, them 2 darn eggs exploded. I mean, they blew up like a hand grenade going off in the microwave. And let me tell you, I'm standing in front of it, and they exploded with such force that it blew the door open on the microwave. It's just a little small counter microwave. The force of the egg hitting the door is what knocked the door open. Oh yeah, egg was all over inside the microwave, all over the inside of the door, and all over me standing in front of the microwave, and all over the kitchen floor. My advice is never, ever microwave a damn boiled egg. Anyway, that's my little goof up from yesterday. I started cleaning up finally. She just got me out of the way and cleaned it herself. I was making too big a mess. Don't never microwave a boiled egg. I gotta go get some paper towels. We've had rain lately and the inside of this thing is soaking wet. It's getting on around 5 o'clock in the evening. Time to light my grill, get ready to cook my steaks. 57 degrees. Don't got a whole lot of propane left. If I get low, I'll go get one of them other partial tanks. I think we got enough to cook these steaks. Darn flints must be wet. I gotta go find a cigarette lighter. Yesterday I was exploding boiled eggs. Today I'm probably gonna explode me. Oh, might help turn the gas on. Anyway, we got some fire in the hole. It'll take me 20 minutes to light the barbecue grill. It's cold and windy and everything's wet. Really ain't getting the temperature I want on that grill. Looks like almost 350. Used to be a lot hotter than that. Hope I'm not running out of gas. Well, let's go ahead and get them started anyway. Got us some nice seasoned up ribeye steaks. Need a hotter fire, really. Alright, my temperature is starting to climb. Maybe I just was getting in too big a rush. We'll let them booger bears cook a little bit before I flip them. Back has been hurting me a lot here lately. Never got over it from when I fell out here. Whew, sit down and rest a minute. You know, them leaves ain't gonna go away all by themselves. I'm definitely gonna have to get out here and mow them when all this rain is over. I was putting it off till the oak tree sheds, but it's being awful slow about shedding. Get a good wind, maybe that'll help it shed. I was talking earlier about my boiled egg exploding. I'm reminded of when I was a child. We used to play with firecrackers. It was a big deal when you give a kid a pack of firecrackers. Some people would just light the whole pack at one time. They'd go pop, 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 and they'd all be popped up in about 10 seconds. But I like to slow it down, pop one at a time. Throwed one out there one day. Now it went out. Maybe the fuse is long enough I could light it again. And I picked it up, and about the time I got it in my fingers, it exploded. I thought I lost my fingers. Boy, did that hurt. You learn real quick, don't play with firecrackers, or don't pick up a lit firecracker. That sucker can sit over there and smolder for 2 days before I go pick it up. One of my viewers was talking about seeing the kids, or back when they were kids, people taking a hammer or a rock and smashing caps from a cap pistol, and they will pop that way too. We used to do that sometimes when we didn't have a cap pistol. I recall one year, the only toy I got for Christmas was a little old cheap 6-shooter type pistol and a pack of firecrackers. That was all I got, and I think probably my uncle or somebody gave it to me. But I was so aggravated because of all the other kids' toys I saw the kids getting that it just didn't seem fair to me. And not realizing that Santa Claus might not wanted to bring me a whole lot of stuff. Went outside and took that cap pistol, and I was mad. I might have been 7, 8. Fit that firecracker up inside the end of the barrel of the gun. And I don't remember if it was plastic or tin or what the barrel was made out of. I think it was metal, probably pot metal back in them days. Held that gun up and lit the firecracker and held it. Boom! Just blowed the front barrel all to heck with that thing. Blowed up the cotton picking gun. It lasted me every bit of 2 minutes. But I had fun that day smashing all the rest of the caps that came with it. Well, we better go over there and check them steaks. They smoking. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. was ready to turn. This one's going to break. Maybe not. I'll give that just a minute or two and I'll take them up. I appreciate y'all tuning in today. It's Pwalpar wishing everybody a good week.
Are they well done?
Nope, I just flipped them over and fixing to take them up.